you want see blue steel. Boy, I go dead, you probably soon see me.
Them a friend killer, but no dog member, so no trick muscle.
Puma, you don't know, they don't represent for FollowIG TV Entertainment. You know what you say, get the latest and the greatest updates them. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Stay updated, because FollowIG TV are going to great things, though. One time, grow.
Then them a boxing down, Spanglers man them clamping gun.
Yes, viewers and subscriber, I'm back again. From your device, you know it's a boy FollowIG TV Entertainment. You know, I say a season 3, me there now with the clash with Malie and Chronic Law. And I say, yo, Malie drop a song title, Who Know, you see me? And I be a shades the artist I chose same way at the next artist. So I say viewers and subscriber, Malie a push, him a force hard. Him a fling some hard ball off a Chronic Law viewers and subscriber. No joke, you see me? Him and all I say, Sharp done not a box up Chronic Law. And the dog go link with Spanglers man, them and then clamping gun. Beating the artist attack viewers and subscriber. A whole heap of boy Malie know, you know. And me see a little edit on YouTube where them a say one of them a cheater and one a informer. So them a say Malie a informer, Chronic Law cheater. You see me? The cheater will live. Cause I'm a survivor, you see me? Cause cheater if you see say yo, you know like what thing they go on, so then just turn and go towards one different routine. You see me? I informer now, him just see everything and chat. You see me? So you have to be careful. I am a cheater is a survivor. You see me? Yeah man. A cheater would have come like he's my own boss. So when somebody be a cheater, I would have say he would have like to be him own boss, so he go farm for him own alliance. You see me? That they may get out of that. So I say viewers and subscriber, I play a piece more song and jump back in a review said we are go and chat. You see me? Because you know see a chat with a chat. Because be a thing artist them a go on with. And it a work for them. Because them a get views and them a get traction. So who say no? Just do the right thing, man. You see me? Yeah man.
What did your brother was a killer tell Blue Steel don't be safe protect him?
Malie know you mean Chronic Law never a stepper, a Blue Steel is a stepper. So you tell Blue Steel don't if you protect him. If you respect he dead and respect elderly. You see me? Yeah man. But right now Chronic Law, you have to go find it, you know. You have to go find it, because dog I say be a thing another one I said where. You see me? I don't know produced by Shotdown Music. Non-stop record. You see me? Yeah man, we go to other people them we take part in it said we. I tell you say a whole heap of people love the war. A whole heap of people support the war. So no just do the war clean. Lyrical war we want. We don't want no physical war. You see me? We don't want nobody to get hurt in other war, you know. You see me? As me I say, the warrior has 6 and 1 law. You see me? Remember the one umbrella, you know. So now a segregation. So you don't know, say, man them pick them side and a be a thing a go on. And them a say, one a cheater and one a informer. You see, pre. And you can find that song upon Malie Vivo. You see me? Who know. That's the title. So me I go jump in a other review now, viewers and subscribers for your next artist I say. You see me? 100.
Evilness, Pablo beating stick, West Bank mine, no, we know the people.
Viewers and subscribers, what do you think about the war so far? Cause the Chronic Law job theme song Final Lap. You see me? So it would look like a final song this more job and just call it a win or a lose. To my knowledge, me not sure. Cause me not see job no other song yet, and me see the next artist job song already. So me I look for see artist drop a next song. You see me? Cause this one you have to answer. Who know? You see me? Where Malie drop. So final lap of this song where Malie drop. So me see Malie drop a next song. But me see Chronic Law drop a next song. I want collab with the next artist. I mean a 2 year. No clash thing I go on in that. So I want to know. I want really a go on, you see me? Yeah man, cause artists all make him know say yo. You're not ready for evilness. You're Pablo beating stick. A West Bank mine, you see me? The dog no do people things, so that I show me say I help the dog help people. You see me? And build people and send people a road. Yeah man. The dog say yo, I see myself from he never recognize. So now he recognize him still as a 6, but he might carry he one last slogan because a theme umbrella that. You see me? So I just this how me see war start and this how me start here be chatting. You see me? Someone want to know, judge the war and tell me who I lead right now. Who I fling the bars them and a crack skull. You see, pray. Me will make on a listen piece more chronicler and then me wrap up this. Down.
This repeat information. No kill my dog and try to implicate man.
Be a thing a go on. Bag a rare chat in a dem a song to Bumbo Clad. The dog a say no a give therapy information. No kill mad dog and a try to implicate man. Bumbo Clad. One law, one done. Bumbo Clad. Yo, la boss. How you deal with the things so my lad? Me a try tell you say yo la boss know if you choosing words them. Hey dog, just easy and deadly. I be a thing a dog a say viewers and subscriber. You know you for yourself man. Yo, me a say yo, la boss. You better just easier now my father because you don't see say you have it locked. We don't see say you fuck up a thing. You see me? But it's a tragic to what they do to mad dog still. Cause after all the man bury the man them still go dig up the man grave and take out all the man things. Man grave. Tragic. Me I tell you say them thing they are fuckery. You see me? Be a bag of rare, brother. You see me? You don't know a music we love same way and a music we are listening to, so me not get involved in them the thing there. So viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you drop a like. You see me? Drop a comment. And you can hit the bell icon to be notified each time I drop a video. You don't know say a Soji TV entertainment out here now. Yeah man, it's been 3 months now. I not do no review, so I start back. So I want to support the thing. Tell a friend say I Soji over here now man. Listen out to him and I want phone ear same way. I want to know can leave no comment and phone no thoughts. And what make you improve upon and think you don't over there. You see me? I want to go over Malie than Vivo same way. Give me support. I want to go over Chronic Law Vivo. I would say 6 man them go over so and the law man them go over so. But in a war you know have to listen to 2 sides them if you know how a war go so. I don't know how I go do that the part. So I say viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. Madam mean. On Jets.